Hello, my name is Maria. I'm a demonstrator from Ontario, Canada, and today I'm going to show you how to make this double triangular card. You've probably seen them all over Pinterest. I'm certainly not the first one who has made this card. Today I'm going to show you my version of this card. Okay, to start you'll need a trimmer with the cutting blade removed, and that's so you don't accidentally cut when you're scoring. And a piece of cardstock that's 8.5 by 11. What you're going to do is you're going to score in the midpoint of both sides. So when you insert it in the trimmer, on the 4.5 side, and the 8.5 side, you place it at the 4.25 mark and score. And turn your paper to 5.5. This is the 11-inch side at 5.5 and score. And what you have then, you have two score lines that meet in the middle. And this is a reference point. Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut, but you're going to have to put the cutting blade back in again. So I'm going to remove my scoring blade and put the cutting blade back in again. And going to place your paper in at a diagonal. So this is the cutting track here. So you want each of the diagonal corners of the card in the cutting track. I don't know if I can show this to you a little bit. There, you can see them in the cutting track. And what I'll do is I'll move my cutting blade away from the ends, because if you start cutting at the ends, your paper will tear and buckle. So I'll just make sure, be careful that that is right in the track. And you cut. And you have two pieces of cardstock. Each will make a card. And you just fold at the score lines. Get my bone folder. You can fold the other one too and make another card. But we'll just do the one. And to decorate, I'm using some purple posy vellum that actually is retired now. It was a celebration item, and I'm going to trim that to 4.25 by 5. Sorry, 4 by 5. And I'm also going to cut that at a diagonal. Each of the tips are in the cutting track. Move my blade away from the corner. And I have my two diagonals. And I'm going to use some Perennial Essence designer paper. Here it is. And I'm going to trim it to 3.5 by 5. There's 5. Oh, I didn't cut. And I'm going to cut that at a diagonal. Move my trimmer out of the way. Now, if you don't have the vellum, Purple Posy vellum, you can use Purple Posy cardstock or any other color that complements it with the designer paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to layer these two on top of each other. Now we'll add that to, there we go. Now this happens sometimes is when you cut your designer paper and you go to put it on the card and it doesn't fit. Well, what you just do is you turn your card over. Whoops. Bone throwing contest. Okay. So it's always good to lay it on before you adhere it, just to make sure it's going to fit. And there you have it. All you need now is to add some Whisper White to the inside, and you're done.